Want to upgrade your kitchen without draining your wallet? These affordable Temu finds prove you don't need to spend big to get smart, space-saving tools that actually work. From food prep to cleanup, they make everyday cooking faster and easier. All the products are linked in the description below. Cooking just got way more fun and hands-free. This automatic cooking machine does the stirring, timing, and temperature control all by itself. Its 360-degree rotating pot cooks everything evenly, from stir-fries to stews to soups. You just prep the ingredients, follow the prompts, and it takes care of the rest. When you're done, the non-stick pot practically cleans itself. No scrubbing, no mess. Who knew cracking eggs could be this cute? This ceramic egg separator looks like a little chick, but works like a pro. Just crack an egg into the top, and the whites slide cleanly out the sides. No mess, no broken yolks, no fishing with your fingers. It's sturdy, smooth, and way easier than using the shell method. Perfect for bakers, brunch lovers, or anyone who just enjoys a fun kitchen tool. Salads, tacos, and pasta nights just got way easier. This electric slicer does the grating, shredding, and chopping for you, with 5 different attachments to handle everything from soft cheese to firm carrots. Just pop in your ingredient, press the button, and watch it shoot out perfectly prepped. The motor gives it plenty of power, and the stainless steel blades mean smooth, consistent results every time. If you're tired of bulky kitchen gadgets taking up space, this 8-in-1 Immersion Blender is your new best friend. It blends, chops, whisks, purees, you name it, all with a single handheld tool. The powerful motor tackles everything from smoothies to cooked meats, and with 16 speed settings, you're always in control. Stainless steel parts mean it's built to last. It's powerful, compact, and seriously useful for everyday cooking. Fresh juice in seconds. No cords, no noise, just pure citrus power. This manual juicer uses simple leverage to get every drop out of your lemons, limes, or oranges. The ergonomic design means less strain on your hands and more juice in your glass. It's small enough to toss in a drawer, and cleanup takes just a rinse or a quick cycle in the dishwasher. Great for kitchens, picnics, or anywhere you crave freshness. Say goodbye to messy chopping boards and hello to effortless slicing. This cordless vegetable slicer makes prepping salads, sides, and snacks super simple. Just pop in your veggie, pick a blade, and let the one-touch rotary system do the work. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and totally cable-free, perfect for small kitchens or quick meals. With 4 interchangeable blades, you'll slice, grate, and shred in seconds. No muscle or tears required. Measuring ingredients just got smarter. This digital spoon scale gives you exact readings as you scoop, down to 0.1 grams. Whether you're tracking macros, following a recipe, or prepping baby food, it's all about precision without the hassle. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to hold, and the digital display shows weights instantly. It's compact, accurate, and a total game changer for anyone who loves cooking with confidence. Grilling just got smarter and totally wire-free. This Bluetooth meat thermometer uses dual sensors to track the exact temperature of your food while you relax nearby. Just stick it in, check the large display or app, and you'll get a notification when your meal hits the perfect doneness. No cords, no guesswork, and no overcooked steaks. It's rechargeable, waterproof, and designed to keep your cooking stress-free and on point every time. Seasoning should be simple, and this electric grinder set makes it effortless. With just one hand, you can grind salt or pepper to your preferred coarseness while cooking or serving. The built-in LED light helps you see exactly how much you're using, and the auto dust lids keep everything clean between uses. They recharge neatly on a sleek dual charging base, so they're always ready to go. Stylish, powerful, and easy to use. Flipping eggs for the whole family just got way easier. This 4-cup non-stick pan lets you fry up to 4 eggs, or pancakes, or mini omelets at the same time, each in its own perfectly shaped slot. The aluminum body heats evenly, while the wooden handle stays cool and comfy to hold. A dab of butter in each cup is all it takes for a clean release. Breakfast multitasking? Handled. Add a little joy to your breakfast with this Smiley egg cutter. Just roll it over your boiled eggs and watch fun flower or face shapes appear like magic. It's a simple way to make meals more playful, perfect for kids, parties, or just brightening up your day. Made from safe, odor-free plastic and easy to use. Cooking doesn't have to be serious. Sometimes it should smile back. Washing fruits and veggies just got way more convenient. This foldable basket rinses and drains in one go, thanks to its smart built-in strainer design. It opens up wide for big batches, then folds flat to save space when you're done. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to carry, even when loaded. Lightweight, durable, and easy to clean. It's the kind of tool you'll reach for every single day. Toothpicks have never been this fun. This automatic pop-up holder looks like a cartoon character with a big mouth. Press the top, and a toothpick pops right out. It keeps things clean, organized, and way more entertaining than a boring box. Great for dinner tables, restaurants, or just adding a quirky touch to your kitchen. It's hygienic, mess-free, and always ready to make someone smile. Sticky messes, be gone. This clever honey dispenser lets you drizzle syrup, sauce, or honey without the drips or spills. It comes with a built-in silicone brush for smooth spreading and a storage rack to keep everything tidy between uses. Just pour, squeeze, and swipe. No spoons, no cleanup nightmare. It's reusable, easy to refill, and perfect for everything from pancakes to glazing roasted veggies. Simple, sweet, and super handy. Brew loose leaf tea without the mess. This long-handled tea wand lets you scoop, steep, and stir all in one smooth motion. Just fill it with your favorite blend, tea, spices, even coffee, and drop it into hot water. The tiny holes keep leaves contained while flavor flows freely. It's sleek, easy to clean, and way more fun than fussing with tea bags. A small upgrade with a big, cozy payoff. Say goodbye to bent spoons and rock-solid ice cream. This heated scoop warms up just enough to glide through even the hardest tub with ease. A built-in LED display shows battery life, and the rechargeable design means no batteries to juggle. It's waterproof, mess-free, and feels like magic in your hand. Whether it's for Sundays or late-night scoops, this tool makes ice cream time a whole lot smoother. Crispy fries, golden tempura, and perfect donuts start with the right pot, and this deep fryer gets it just right. It's made of stainless steel and includes a built-in thermometer, so you always know when the oil's hot enough. The wide lid doubles as a draining rack to reduce excess oil for healthier results. It works on both gas and induction stoves. Simple, safe, and ready for serious frying fun. Small sink, No problem. This multifunctional hanging basket clips right onto your faucet or sink edge, giving you instant storage and drainage in one spot. Use it to hold sponges, scrubbers, or leftover scraps while cooking. The built-in drain button lets water out fast, and the detachable filter makes cleanup easy. It installs in a second and saves space like a champ, perfect for tight kitchens, dorms, or apartments. Bring a touch of elegance to your baking with this cherry blossom mooncake mold. Just press the floral stamp into your dough and you've got beautifully detailed treats ready for the oven or the fridge, depending on your recipe. The material is durable, easy to clean, and built for repeat use. Whether you're making traditional mooncakes or creative cookies, it adds charm to every batch. Tired of fishing around in pickle juice? This smart hourglass-style jar separates your pickles from the brine with a simple flip. Just turn it over, and the built-in strainer keeps your pickles on top. Ready to grab, no mess, no drips. It's leak-proof, non-slip, and fits easily in your fridge. Dishwasher safe and super convenient. It's a total upgrade for pickle lovers, olive fans, and snack time in general. Boilovers are the worst. This spill stopper lid makes sure they never happen again. Just place it over your pot and let the heat-resistant design control bubbling spills before they hit your stovetop. The flower pattern isn't just cute, it vents steam while stopping messy overflows. Safe for the microwave, oven, and dishwasher, it fits most pots and pans with ease. Functional, decorative, and your stovetop's new best friend. Big mess? Tiny solution. This handheld mini mop set is foldable, compact, and perfect for quick cleanups anywhere. Kitchen counters, bathroom mirrors, even glass surfaces. It wrings out with a simple squeeze and folds down to fit in tight storage spots. The durable material holds up to daily use, and the built-in rinse system keeps things efficient and mess-free. Ideal for small spaces, busy lives, and unexpected spills. No more chasing runaway pickles with your fingers. This clever pickle fork is designed to grab olives, pickles, or anything floating in a jar without the mess. Its long, narrow handle reaches deep and grabs tight, so you get what you want with zero hassle. Made of stainless steel and easy to clean, it's a must-have for condiment fans. Fun, practical, and oddly satisfying to use. Keep snacks fresh and spills off the floor with these colorful sealing clips. This handy set comes with two types, press fit and bar closures, so you can seal up everything from chip bags to frozen veggies. They snap on tightly to block out air and moisture, helping your food stay crisp and tasty. Made from durable, eco-friendly plastic, they're lightweight, reusable, and easy to toss in a drawer or take on a picnic.